Greetings and salutations. Here's a quick update on what we're doing with the MG. I took the valve cover off and the gasket, and I just finished adjusting the valves 15 thousandths cold, and I did that using the method of nines. Basically, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When 1 is fully closed, you adjust 8. When 2 is closed, you adjust 7. Whatever valve is closed, you adjust whatever valve equals 9. So if you're doing like a 4 is closed, you're going to adjust 5, and so forth and so on. So got that done, and then we're about to retorque the head. Basically, you just back that puppy off a little bit and then torque it back down to 55 pounds. I recently switched oil filters. I was using there's some confusion about which oil filter goes on this inverted spin-on adapter. I've been using the short, fat ones. Like a fram number is PH16. I use STP S16. They're fat and short. So I changed that to this style, which is a skinny tall one. It just gives me more room in there. This particular one is a Purelator. It's a PL20195. Same oil filter as like a Fram. I think it's a PH3600. Is the same style as that in size. I like the size better. So the other thing I did was I just kind of sanded down and repainted the rocker cover because it looked kind of crappy. And I noticed when I took the gasket off, I got some crudly down here, which is causing a bit of an oil leak. So I'll clean all that up, put new gaskets on, and put a new repainted rocker cover on. And then we're off to, well, whatever's next at that point.